Yeah, thank you. Because this research is a part of my PhD dissertation.
Mhm.
So of course, I'm motivated because this is a part of my big project in PhD.
Okay.
But in addition, that I hope that my research can be beneficial for students, for teachers, for teacher candidates, teacher educators, and also for policy makers in the field of education. Based on my experiences with some participants withdrawing and also changing their minds about sharing their interviews. So I just think that although we have agreements in place, it's better for us and also for other researchers to be prepared for these similar situations. It's very important to have backup plans, especially if our interviews are done and we are ready to writing up our article. At the conference, I met many amazing people, and we have stayed in double research and also learn from each other. And I think that it's very insightful, inspiring, and also I got a lot of knowledge, and I think I made some great connections. Even, that I and some of my friends in international conference in Kuala Lumpur, we have a plan together to make a same research project in the future. And I think it was amazing. Thank you for organizing the conference.